Hey guys, today we're going to build an Fpv Spy Camera. Let's get started. So first off, we need a camera. Here is the battery for it, and here's the actual camera. You can literally just buy these on Amazon or eBay, and they come shipped like this, except, you know, without electrical tape. But basically we need these two things. This will be our camera, and we need something to hide it in. So I'm going to use this little metal container with this clear plastic lid. Now the camera is basically finished. Plug it in. And put the lid on. This is obviously a camera. You can definitely see that there's a camera and a battery in there. So I'm going to be using this black fabric, and we're going to put that over the camera lens so only the camera peeks out. And that will cover up all the electronics inside, and when you put on the lid, you can't really tell it's a camera. So now that we've got our camera built, let's go on to build the display. Okay, for the display, I'm going to be using this 4.3-inch TFT LCD screen. Comes with a receiver for FPV, and I'm going to be using these buttons to control the channels, a battery, and a battery connector. So first things first, this is very, you can see there, it's very thin. A little bit of jostling will just rip it, and you'll waste like 20 bucks because it'll be ruined. So I'm gonna put tons of hot glue on there to help support the really thin wires. We made the connection stronger, and now it's time to attach the battery and the little components. The display is now complete. Let's see if it turns on. And it should be on the same band as the camera. Look at that. That's pretty cool. So now we need a box to mount this in, because you're not just going to go carrying around this thing, because obviously it'll break. So here I have this nice metal box, and we're going to mount all the things in here. So now we have the antenna port, and we're going to attach that right here. Unfortunately, I don't have an antenna, so this will have very limited range. But if you were to add an actual FPV antenna, it would probably double or even triple the range of this thing. So there we have it, the spy camera. Let's go test it out. So basically, what I have here is a small FPV system inside this little box, and here's the camera. So now I'm gonna go walk around, and you can see what I see from the little camera.